You guys, I just ate like some salmon that I baked today with this glaze with some greasy mac and cheese. Do you see this lip color? Do you see this lip color? No touch-ups. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be another one of my double Ipsy glam bag unbagging videos. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to link my playlist up in the cards. What I do is, basically, I am a beauty subscription box hoarder. And I have a stockpile of stuff that's in my closet, embarrassingly. And I just reach in, I grab 2 random ones. It could be from a month ago, it could be from 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, who knows. And I basically show you what's inside each bag, and I actually break down the sample values so you'll know whether or not is it really worth your 10 bucks. Now, if you're interested in joining Ipsy, I'll put my referral link down below. Of course, you don't have to take advantage of it. And here is the bag. Very cute. This little star. Rock out like a knockout. November 2016. Here's the card that basically talked about like the theme. I remember to go over these. Now this is a beautiful brush. Probably the prettiest brush that I own. By Miss Glam. I think that's what it says. It's an angled eye W20. But look at this. Can you see the detail on this? And look at the 2 little rhinestones in the ferrule. Very pretty. The next thing I have is by Nux Paris. Nuxolence Detox. Detoxifying youth, revealing anti-aging care for all skin types. What is this? Is this a moisturizer? Oh, it's a night cream. Okay. I see the French and I saw le soir, which means at night. You can use this under a night cream or as a night cream itself. So, there we go. And this is actually a ½ ounce. Then we got the Matte Lash Black Mascara by The Balm. This is 0.08 fluid ounces. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to lose its freshness. Then we have something by Sephora Formula X, which I don't think exists anymore. This is 0.13 fluid ounces. It's nail polish. It's a nice little box. And ooh, this is a pretty, like, green color in Huntress. Very pretty. And the last one, but not least, I'm thinking this is full size. It's an Ofra Banana Highlighting Powder. 0.14 fluid ounces. And then here's the actual pan. Ooh, I just dropped it. And oh my god, this is pressed very well because I just dropped this and it did not break. But yeah, I believe this is more for like a palette. But I will admit, I have never used a banana powder before. So, you guys have any tips or tricks that you leave in the comments? Please do. Well, that's it for this November 2016 Ipsy bag. I will put the bag up right here. And then let me get into the second one. Oh, this is a completely different kind of tie-dye. Makes me think of summer. And it has a Dreamers theme. And this one does not have the month and year on there. I will admit that I have no idea who that is. I think Kristen Dominique. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Let's see what's in here. So this first bag had an eye brush, nail polish, mascara, face powder, and night cream. Has another brush. This is the Crown Brush C427 Tapered Duo Fiber Brush. I will admit, I own very few Duo Fiber brushes. I think these are good for like cream makeup, which I don't use since I'm oily. But I will put that to good use. This is the Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream, 1.02 fluid ounces. It's actually a decent size. This is by Starlooks, which I think is like a private label brand. Cream eyeshadow in rose gold. 1.6 grams. But yeah, it is a rose gold color, and it's really hard for me to be able to tell. I don't know if this is tried out. Oh, okay. It's not. It has a doe foot applicator. And then we got something by Tarte. This is the Wonder Lip Surgeon's Lip Cream. 0.056 ounces, 1.6 grams. So the same measurement as that cream shadow. But here it is right here. And then, yep, it's twist up and it has a decent amount of product in there. Now last but not least, something that I really love, I love hair oil. Moroccan Oil Treatment by Moroccan Oil. 0.34 fluid ounces, comes in this cute little box. And then here is the actual sample right here. And so in the second bag, we got skincare, makeup brush, eyeshadow, lip color, and hair product. And so the value of the second Ipsy bag is, I'll throw up the first one. And am I still a member of Ipsy? Of course I am. Well, if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, become a part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. There's my AC. And you'll be hearing from me again, hopefully, very soon.